Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to duplicate ad sets in a single meta ad campaign, right? As you can see that I am into my ads manager and I am creating a new ad campaign. We have ad campaign level over here. Then in one ad campaign we have a single ad set as of now, and in the single ad set we have a single ad creative as of now, right? And now if you want to duplicate ad sets, you need to create multiple ad sets in a single ad campaign. Then what you need to do is at the ad set level, here you can see there is a triple dot. You just need to click over it, click on duplicate, and you can simply, if I want 3 ad sets more, like now we will have total 4 ad sets, 1 the original one and 3 the duplicate ones. So it is asking me whether you want to duplicate your ad set in the original campaign, right, or in the existing campaign that is already created and is another campaign, right? And in the new campaign, the third one option, like you want to create a new campaign with this particular ad set as duplicated in that new campaign. No, I just want this ad set to get duplicated in this original ad campaign. It is asking me, do you want the same reactions, comments and shares on all ad creatives in the other ad sets? Yeah, I want duplicate. Okay, now you can see that in a single ad campaign we have 4 multiple ad sets, and in each ad set we have a single ad creative, right? So now let me tell you, why do we need to create multiple ad sets? First reason is that you want to change the schedule of each ad set. For example, we can change budgets in all ad sets separately. We can schedule all ad sets separately, right? We can change the schedule of each ad set. We can target different audiences in each ad set. For example, I am running this particular ad set in different city in New York, right, and this ad set in Las Vegas. So like I can target different audiences in each ad set to make more better analysis that which ad set is performing good and how much result I am getting in specific ad set. We can also create multiple ad set to target different placements. For example, in this ad set I am targeting the feed level. In this ad set I am targeting the stories and reels. I am showing my ad creative on stories and reels, and in this I am showing my ad creative on Facebook, Instagram homepage. So both will have entirely different results, because few people have behavior of scrolling more and more stories and reels, more likely the younger generation, whereas many people have behavior of scrolling Facebook and Instagram homepage. So both are different audiences and going to deliver the different results. So I can like break down my analysis at ad set level, right? So that's why I need to create multiple ad sets. So here is how we can create multiple ad sets by duplicating in a single ad campaign. If you want to learn digital marketing in detail, then kindly check our YouTube video description. You will find my website link over there. Just visit that link and you can explore our course and can directly purchase it from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.